United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic Dominican, Cuba, the Vatican, Tonga, Bahamas, Nauru, San Marino, Colombia, Venezuela, Honduras, Guyana, and still Guatemala, Bolivia, then Argentina, and Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, Costa Rica, Belize, Nicaragua, Barbados, UK, Trinidad, and Tobago, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, Tuvalu, St. Lucia, Montenegro, Norway and Sweden and Iceland and Finland and Germany, Azerbaijan, Switzerland, Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Solomon Islands, Gabon, Poland, Romania, Yemen, Albania, Ireland, Russia, Oman, Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Hungary, Cyprus, Iraq and Iran, Samoa, Serbia, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, Myanmar, Kuwait and Bahrain, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium and Portugal, France, Georgia, Denmark, Ukraine, India, Pakistan, Qatar, Afghanistan, Thailand, Nepal and Bhutan, Vanuatu, Cambodia, China, Mongolia, St. Kitts and Nevis, Japan, Tajikistan, Laos, Belarus, Indonesia, the Philippines, Maldives, Taiwan, Papua New Guinea, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, Eritrea and Vietnam, Tunisia, Morocco, Uganda, Angola, Zimbabwe, Djibouti, Botswana, Eswatini, Zambia, Mozambique, Gambia, Guinea, Dominica, Ghana, Burundi, Lesotho and Malawi, Togo, Slovenia, Turkmenistan, Niger, Nigeria, Chad and Liberia, Egypt, Benin, South Sudan, Tanzania, Somalia, Kenya and Mali, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Mauritius, Namibia, Senegal, Libya, Cameroon, El Salvador, Cape Verde, Burkina Faso, DRC, Kyrgyzstan and the Ivory Coast, Kazakhstan, Marshall Islands, UAE, Congo Republic, Comoros, South Korea, Armenia, Bangladesh, Latvia, Central African Republic, Syria, Andorra, Antigua and Barbuda, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Algeria, North Korea, Seychelles, Kiribati, Croatia, Brunei, Micronesia, Palau, Equatorial Guinea, Grenada, Moldova, Malaysia, Greece, Guinea-Bissau, Ethiopia, South Africa, Madagascar, Rwanda and Uzbekistan, Sao Tome and Principe, East Timor, Italy, Spain, Mauritania, then Lithuania, Turkey, Estonia, North Macedonia, Monaco, Liechtenstein, Malta and Palestine, Fiji, Australia, Sudan.